Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. We are doing a 4th time revision of class 11th and class 12th NCERT Biology, and this time we are doing it unit wise, and today we are going to discuss 15 MCQs from the unit that you're seeing on your screen. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Mating closely related individuals for 4 to 6 generations is referred to as option A, inbreeding, option B, outbreeding, option C, crossbreeding, or option D, outcrossing. Mating closely related individual for 4 to 6 generation is referred to as. The correct answer is option A, inbreeding. Question number 2. Which of the following statements is incorrect about lactobacillus? Option A. It carries out curdling of milk. Option B. It increases vitamin B12. Option C. It is an aerobic organism. Option D. In stomach, it checks the growth of disease-causing microbes. Which of the following statements is incorrect about lactobacillus? The correct answer is option C is incorrect. Lactobacillus is an anaerobic organism. Question number 3. Which of the following organic acids is produced by fermentation? Oxalic acid, lactic acid, citric acid, propionic acid. Organic acid produced through fermentation. Correct answer is option B, lactic acid. Question 4. What is the location of sexual reproduction in plasmodium? Option A. Salivary gland of mosquito. Option B. Stomach of mosquito. Option C. Liver of humans. Option D. RBCs of humans. The correct answer is option B, that is stomach of mosquito. Now if you had paid attention to the previous question, I had almost revealed the answer over there only. What happens in liver? Merozoites are formed and merozoites are released from the liver. What happens in RBCs? Trophozoites are formed and they are released in form of merozoites or gametophytes. Now when the mosquito, that is the female Anopheles mosquito, bites the infected man, it intakes what? Gametophytes. These gametophytes in the stomach of the mosquito develop into male and female gamete and the fusion takes place. So where is the sexual reproduction occurring? It's in the stomach of the mosquito. Then from the stomach of the mosquito, the fertilization product, that is the zygote, as it goes on develops into sporozoites and it reaches salivary gland. And in the salivary gland of mosquito, the sporozoites are stored. So next time when this female Anopheles mosquito bites another human, it enters what? Sporozoites. Again, one more question over here. Sexual reproduction is occurring in mosquito. So what does mosquito becomes? Right, it becomes the definitive host. And what does the human becomes? He becomes the intermediate host. So remember, wherever the sexual reproduction occurs, that organism becomes the definitive host. Question number 5. Which one is the smallest organism capable of autonomous growth and reproduction? Virus, viroids, mycoplasma, bacteria. Autonomous growth and reproduction. Correct answer is option C, mycoplasma. Question 6. Cerebral malaria, which is often fatal, is caused by option A. Plasmodium vivax, option B. Plasmodium falciparum, option C. Plasmodium malariae, or option D. Plasmodium ovale. Cerebral malaria is often fatal is caused by. The correct answer is option B. Plasmodium falciparum. Plasmodium falciparum is the most dangerous and the deadly species of plasmodium which causes malaria. Question number 7. Callus culture can be used to achieve regeneration of plantlets, production of transgenic plants, isolation of protoplast, or option D, all the above. Callus culture can be used to achieve. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question 8. What is the valency of immunoglobulin molecule IgG? Option A, 2, option B, 4, option C, 1, or option D, 5. Valency of immunoglobulin molecule IgG. The correct answer is option A, 2. Now what does valency refers to? In an immunoglobulin, there are two variable regions and one fixed region. So the variable regions can bind to antigens. So number of antigens that a immunoglobulin molecule can bind to refers to its valency. Since there are two variable regions, each IgG can bind to two antigens, right? Two different antigens. So the valency of immunoglobulin would be 2. Now if it would have been asked valency of IgM, now the IgM is a pentameric compound. So its valency would have been 10, right? Because each molecule would have 2 and there are 5 such molecules. So the valency of IgM is 10. Remember this, valency is always an even number. Either it's 2 or it's 10, right? Question 9. International Rice Research Institute or IRRI is located in option A, Philippines, option B, Delhi, option C, Tokyo, or option D, Taiwan. The correct answer is option A. The IRRI is located in Philippines. Question number 10. Which of the following is not used as biofertilizer in organic farming? Remember, I'm asking about fertilizer, biofertilizer. Option A, nostoc, option B, rhizobium, option C, azospirillum, or option D, trichoderma. The correct answer is option D, that is trichoderma is not used as biofertilizer in organic farming. Question number 11. Interferon is secreted in response to infection by bacterial cells, viruses, fungus, or protozoan. When are interferons secreted? The correct answer, it is secreted in response to infection by option B, virus. Question number 12. A person suffering from malaria feels fever when exoerythrotic cycle is completed, signet ring stage is formed, RBC is ruptured, or option D, none of these. Person suffering from malaria feels fever when? Correct answer is option C, when the RBC is ruptured. When the RBC is ruptured, the hemozoin pigment is released, which is responsible for the fever that is seen in the malaria. Question number 13. Disease caused by a virus. Tuberculosis, smallpox, cholera, typhoid. Correct answer is option B. Smallpox is a disease which is caused by a virus. Tuberculosis is caused by bacteria, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Cholera caused by Vibrio cholerae, which is again a bacteria. Typhoid caused by Salmonella typhi, which again is a bacteria. Question number 14. In paddy fields, blue-green algae are grown, option A, for medical uses, B, to increase fertility, C, to serve as food for fishes, or D, to conserve water. Paddy fields, blue-green algae are grown for. Correct answer is option B, to increase the fertility of the soil. Question number 15. Which of the following is correct statement? Drone is diploid. Apis indica is the largest bee. Wax is excretory product of bee. Fritz discovered communication in bees. Correct statement. Of the 4 statements, the correct statement is statement D. Fritz discovered the communication of bees. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next unit of NCERT Biology. So read all the chapters of next unit and attempt the tomorrow's MCQ session. So that would be all for today. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.